Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add sticker.ly stickers to Facebook Messenger to make your chats way more fun. So let's jump right into it. First of all, download the sticker.ly app from the App Store or Play Store. After you have downloaded it, simply open it. You will see thousands of stickers available here. You can simply source the stickers from the here, whichever you like, or you can simply create your own sticker from the plus icon here. You can simply create a regular one or animated sticker of your own photos, and after you have selected the one, simply download it whichever you like. Suppose I like this sticker pack. Now to share stickers to WhatsApp, simply click on share, and you can simply copy the link or code and paste to the following people or chat to the chat. After you have done this, send stickers in Messenger, pick the chat you want and just tap send. The sticker will be delivered as an image in Messenger, and that's how you add and use sticker.ly stickers in Facebook Messenger. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below your favorite sticker, and I'll see you in the next one.